How to change your local password on TokenPocket. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how you can change your password on the TokenPocket application using your mobile device. So the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First of all, open the TokenPocket app on your mobile device and make sure that you're inside the asset page. Once you're in, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the Me button. Once you're inside the Me menu, click on Security underneath it. On the next page, tap on Wallet Password. Now, go ahead and click Change Password on the next page. The first thing to do is to enter your old or your current password in the first field. Go ahead and write it down correctly. Once you do that, head over to the Set New Password field and write down the new password you want to change to. Re-enter the new password once again in the last field and finally click Confirm. And there you go! You've successfully updated your TokenPocket password. Keeping your wallet secure is a smart move, and that's how you can easily do it in a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.